Today we're here to learn about the 2016 California Life Science Workforce Trends Report. With me I have Liisa Bozinovic with the Biocom Institute and Lindburg with the California Life Sciences Institute. So this is the second year that you all have done this report. Lori, can you tell us why the Biocom Institute and CLSI have decided to produce this report again?
Yeah, sure. You can imagine as institutes for the life sciences industry, we are continually approached by legislators, by academic institutions, all wanting to know where are the jobs going to be. Given the churn and fast-paced, cyclical nature of the industry, it's very hard to get real-time data for that. So we actually decided to go out and talk to executives across the state about what their talent needs are, given all the change and the flux in the industry and the new developments happening. And we supplemented this by surveys with almost 250 human resource and hiring managers, as well as 16,000 job board postings.
Oh, that's great. Liisa, can you tell me a little bit about the key findings?
Absolutely. So growth is really the biggest one that we're encouraged about. Over the past 2 years, we've seen significant growth in the workforce in life sciences here in California, and it's projected to continue over the next couple of years, significantly in the R&D area, but across the board, we're expecting growth. And then, in addition to that, we really, one of the biggest things that came out thematically is the disruptive advancements in precision medicine, genomics, and proteomics research, and really that's driving the need for individuals with skill sets in being able to collect, analyze, manage, and interpret large data sets.
Lori, do you have anything to add about that?
Yeah, another thing that we heard a lot of this year is how the shift, or what the shift to value-based healthcare means for talent needs in the industry. Consumers are paying for more of their healthcare costs out of pocket. They're much more aware of the costs of healthcare, and this means that providers are demanding a lot more of the industry in terms of outcomes. So we're seeing a strong need for individuals with regulatory and reimbursement expertise, people who understand the healthcare system and how their organizations fit within the overall healthcare systems, people who can manage and develop relationships with hospitals and healthcare providers, even people with negotiations and sales capabilities.
So I know the report touches on the importance of technical skills, but it does also bring up the significant value of soft skills. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Absolutely. So clearly the technical skills are critical. You can't operate a life science company without strong technical skills. But the executives that we've interviewed and have overwhelmingly cited that those soft skills are as important as any of the technical skills out there. And communications topped the list this year really as the one in greatest need, you know, with the shift towards global environments and diversity on teams, that oral and written communication skills are key. In addition to that, just teamwork, the ability to adapt into a changing environment, and critical thinking, problem-solving skills were all very important.
Great. Anything you'd like to add about that, Lori?
Yeah, I think something that we're hearing a lot about here at Bio, certainly, and we heard this from a lot of our executives across the state, and that is how important diversity is, race, culture, ethnicity, gender, for creating that multiplicity of perspectives that are so important for a vibrant organization, but also for developing multicultural partnerships abroad. At the same time, our industry folks are really lamenting the weak pipeline of female and underrepresented minorities in the field. One of the things that they're recognizing is the need to step back early into educational partnerships to inspire young females, African Americans, and Latino students to really love STEM and to pursue science and math education, and then to support those students throughout their academic careers, providing opportunities for them to to really flourish in the field.
That's a great segue. Can you actually tell me a little bit more about the importance of academic and industry collaborations in the industry?
Absolutely. They're so vital to the success of the future workforce, and more industry companies are starting to recognize that across the board they need to step in and engage, and more of them are doing it with things like career talks, internships, informational interviews. There's a variety of ways to get your employees engaged and to really make a difference.
Well, thank you. This report seems very important for the state of California, and I know our industry is going to enjoy reviewing these key findings. And you can learn more about the report at califscienceworkforcetrends.org.